Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. We all are having very bad time. The corona situation in Sri Lanka, it's hit second time. I'm from Sri Lanka in Western province. It's really terrible. Everyone got scared, so we all are having lockdown situation. We all are in home. So we all are work from home. So luckily I got a bit of time for you guys to make a small interesting video. This is a live video. So I'm gonna do a live repair video of this flight controller. This time I choose the Diaton D-Link F3 my mini flight controller. I don't know the state of this flight controller, what's the wrong with this flight controller. So before that, I want to tell you I'm not the professional electronic repair person. I'm professionally videographer. So I'm doing this thing when I'm having free time, and I'm drone FPV drone operator. So when I kill any stuff by myself, I do the repair by myself, and sometimes I don't have that much of luck to repair. Some components are repairable, some are not repairable, but it's depends on the luck and how it's the way it's crashed. So I don't know what happened with the flight controller. This flight controller sent to me another pilot from Sri Lanka. He's Pradeep Lakmal. So I'm gonna repair this one today. So okay, let's go to the repair bench and to the microscope. Okay, I'm on the microscope now. I mounted my flight controller there. So let's solve the first of all we need to feed the power and check the flight controller. Before that we need to solder some connection wires. Okay, like this. So what I'm gonna do is before that we need to add a small hold on a second guys. I add a small masking tape to here to avoid the conductivity with the holder. I think we have good focus. Okay, now I'm gonna feed the power. My power supply is at 12 volt and 200 milliamp. Okay, it's not drawing any power. It's 0 amp draw. Okay, my one probe is at the negative. This is the first voltage regulator. It's feeding to the entire flight controller. This is taking 12 to 24 volt voltage in, and it's out. The output is 5 volt. We should have 5 volt output. In first lead, for the first pad we have 12.1 volt, the middle one probably the ground, this one we have 5 volt, but we have 0.016 volt. That's mean we are having bad voltage regulator. We need to replace it first. Sometimes this is the only matter we have in this flight controller, if you are lucky. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one using the hot air station, hot air gun. Careful guys, don't the flight controllers or any other electronic components don't like any heat spikes. First of all, you need to do preheating the board, then gently focus on the component like this. Now we need to find out a donor part. Hold on guys, I'm checking my donor board list. Luckily it's fast, really fast. I got a ESC which has 7805 regulator. I'm gonna wrap the regulator from this one, put into the flight controller. As I said, preheat the board, then gently focus on the component like this. Let's go back to the flight controller. Yes, sorry for taking a long time to place it properly. Before replace it, we need to add some more flux and add some fresh lead-free salt on it. Again, preheat the board. Okay, like that. And again, add some more flux. Secure the solder connections again. Don't worry about the bridges. If you got any bridge, you can rid off using solder wick. Okay, that shape is good. Now we need to clean up the board using alcohol. For the alcohol, I'm using some thinner. Right, okay, now we need to feed the power again. And let's okay, before feeding the power, I'm gonna check whether we have any short or not. Okay, that's good. Okay, we have the power. It's drawing 200 milliwatt from the power supply. Oh my, voltage regulator getting hit. I don't want to lose this one as well. The getting heat, the the voltage regulator mean there's something fishy on the board. We need to check whether we have short or anything obvious on the board. So now I'm going to check them. Before that, we need to clean up the board slightly. There are so many flux residue over the board. Okay, now my multimeter in continuity mode. One probe in the negative lead. Let's check the random components. Okay, like this. Good one. We have bad cap here. It's a good one. Good one. It's also good. Let's check this tiny one. Bad capacitor here again. Another bad one. Okay, another, no, it's a good one. Bad one, bad one. There are so many shorts over the board. You can see there are so many shorts on the components. Guys, sorry about the focus. It's pretty freaky. Sorry about that. So you could see we had so many shorts over the board. That's mean I'm assuming that we have a bad microcontroller, which is this one. So now I'm gonna replace this one. We'll see whether we have any short or not. After this one, this flight controller might work. It might work. So change this and we'll see. So let's again, I'm gonna use some flux before remove this chip, and using my hot tap. As I said before, we need to preheat the board. Realign the board again. Okay, good. Ooh. Okay, now I remove the chip, the microcontroller. Hold on a second, guys, it's really hard to grab. This is the removed one. It's really tiny. You can compare it with my eyes. You can see it's really tiny one. See, where's my face? Okay, this one. So add some flux again. We need to clean up the solder, the old one, and add some fresh solder on it. Before that, I'm gonna use the solder wick. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna talk while I'm doing this tiny little thing. It's real difficult to talk and work. So I cleaned up the where's me hi, hello, hi. So I cleaned up the board. Now I'm gonna add some sorry, before that we need to double check whether we have the short is it still remaining. Let's check the short again. My multimeter in continuity mode again. I think you can hear the beep. Is it okay? Good one. Look at this. We had a okay, wait, where's my camera gone? Okay, I think you can remember we had a short in this cap. It's gone. This one was good. This one also had a short, and this tiny little thing had a short as well. Oh, where? This one had a short. See, everything gone. So I think as I suspect, we had a bad bad microcontroller. Now I'm gonna resolder a new one. I got a new one from the AliExpress. This one, I'm gonna solder this one to here. This is a brand new STM32 chip. It hasn't there any Betaflight or anything. It's empty, it's total blank. So now I'm gonna solder this one. Add some flux again. If I talk about my flux, I'm using that's me. Hi, hello, hi. I'm using Amtech RMA 223 UV flight 223 UV flux. This is really good. I'm not gonna use any expensive stuff because, as I said, I'm not a professional electronic repair guy, so I don't want to waste my money on it. But anyway, if something good, I'll buy, because I don't want to spend too much money for high-end stuff, and I don't want to lose my money for any cheap stuff. Okay, everything in good shape. Before we place the microcontroller, we need to clean up the board, rid of all the flux residue. You can see there are so many flux around. If we can do without cleaning up, but you see we can't see solder pads in clear view. I hate to do something like that. I always expecting clean board to work on. Okay, things good. Now I'm gonna place the microcontroller. Before that, we need to add some flux generously. And this is my microcontroller. My pin number 1 should be on my front right. Now we need to place our microcontroller as much as aligned, but we can't see. Okay, I read a bit of flux using my hot air. I really love to solder these microcontrollers, but you see it's really difficult. And on the electronic repairs, that's the most interesting thing for me. I don't know what about you guys. Right, okay, so far okay. I'm gonna reduce my airflow on the hot air. This hot air made by me, guys, it's really annoying. As I said, I don't want to spend too much money on this stuff. My wife gonna kill me. Okay, gently flow the heat. Okay, now again my hot air in full speed. Push it down. Okay, that sounds good. My soldering part is done. So now I'm gonna feed the power. Let's see whether we have luck with this flight controller. Woohoo! Oops, sorry. We have power. We have good healthy flight controller. Now we need to feed the Betaflight to the microcontroller. So now I'm gonna put the Betaflight on the flight controller. Now it's a Betaflight time. Now I'm in the Betaflight. Go to the firmware flash. And this board is really old, so the SP Racing F3 firmware gonna work with this one. Let's load the firmware. Till then I'm gonna connect my flight controller with my this is my USB serial connector. Connect like this. Okay, connected. Then plug this into my before that I'm gonna tweak some settings on Betaflight. No boot frequency, no boot sequency, and we need full chip erase because there's no any firmware on this flight controller. Now I'm gonna connect, do the flash on connect, then hit flash firmware and press the boot button and plug it. Woohoo, it's flashing. Happy time. It's flashing. Let's see. We have to wait, guys. Flashing. Woohoo! Flashing done. You can see the status light. In here we have the status light. That's mean a good sign. Let's disconnect the flight controller and connect back again. Right, good. Then connect to the flight controller. Wow, sexy. Okay, now we have fully functional flight controller. It's now back to life. It's now ready to sky. Okay, sorry guys, this video is really long. These are live streaming videos, so I believe that you have learned something from this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm now about to signing off. I'm really tired of this but anyway, I enjoy this. I love electronic, I love to repair things. So this is almost everything's done. One important thing to say, guys, if you really interested to donate me any broken stuff, damaged stuff for repair videos, I'm really appreciate your stuff, and you can send your all the broken stuff to me, then I can make a video for you guys. Sometimes I couldn't able to make any videos because if in case we have fail of repairing, I'm not gonna upload it. It will be a boring one, but we'll see in the future. There are some bunch of flight controllers to do some repair videos. I'll upload it in next time. and hope to do another live streaming video with you guys, like something interesting like this one. So I'm really happy with that. Now I have a working flight controller again. I really appreciate who watching this video. So now I'm about signing off. I'm Shan Steve, as known as Bandi Fpv. And guys, stay safe. It's really time we all are pass through. Stay safe, stay home. Hope for the best. Everything will sort of as soon as possible. So yeah, then I had a good time with you guys. See you later. See you on next video. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more repair videos and more flying videos. That's all. That's it. Then see you in next video. See you guys. Bye bye.